Hello, this is Joel from the Relay team, and in today's video, I want to explain to you how you can buy a single buy order in the Relay app with our new EU bank details. This is a video exclusively for our EU customers, so if you haven't done yet, get started with me here right away, because since October 2025, we do have the European-wide license, and with it, there are some exciting changes. To get started, we will now open up the Relay app. And once the app is open, you actually have two possibilities. One is you can click into the big blue buy button in the middle, or you go into the main menu, that is the blue button with the white cross, and go into buy. For today's demonstration, as it's a single buy order, I will actually use 150 euros. And once you've entered that amount, you get to the overview screen where you will be asked, what do you want to do? Today, we're going to do a one-time buy, a single order. So we're going to select that. But obviously, you could also create auto invest plans. And then we'll get to the payment method. If you've already added your bank account, you can choose that. For today's video and purposes, we use that. I may make a video in the future on how to do it with real-time payment methods as well. So we selected the bank account, and then we get to the overview screen where you have the order amount, you have the Relay service fee, and you have the code you can use, because you can reduce your fees if you actually use a code of a friend or someone you know who's recommending Relay. I'm happy with everything. I'm clicking on buy now, and then I'm getting to the last step in the whole process, which is the main banking details. Again, if you're a new customer and you already have done this, then you can, check that you send it to the right IBAN. If this is your first time, please copy the IBAN and make sure that you also copy the recipient name and the recipient address. Save that in your banking app. Send the exact amount you entered, in this example, 150 euros. If it's done and busted and you send it from your bank account, you can come back to the Relay app and click done. And if that is done, you will then see the open order in the main menu. What is not happening in the background is your bank is sending us the money. Usually they do it immediately. That money is super fast with us. We can then process the payment. And with our new feature for EU customers, where we also have a fixed price, you can guarantee that you buy for the price you entered. We will then send the Bitcoin to your Relay wallet, or if you use an external wallet, to that one as well. And happy days, you managed to buy a single buy order with Relay, and you're now owning a little bit more Bitcoin. As always, if you have questions or you want to get to know us more, please leave a comment below the video, reach out to us in the app or on social media, or just simply go away and ask anything. We're happy to help and assist you there. But until then, I wish you a lot of fun with buying Bitcoin now, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.